Breaking development at this hour. Now, the Ministry of Defence has signed an over 5,000 crore contract on the 3rd of March for 6 ALH Mk3 helicopters for the Indian Coast Guard and vertical launch STIL missiles for the Indian Navy. Now, the ALH Mk3 contract is worth rupees 2,901 crores and has been inked with the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Bengaluru, under the BUY category. Now, this also includes equipment, engineering support and logistics package, a holistic package of not just training but also logistical support for the military. These helicopters will enhance Coast Guard maritime security missions, offshore protection, island safety and environmental monitoring. Shivam.
Definitely it will be a boost. The acquisitions strengthen the Atmanirbhar Bharat, bolster India-Russia defence ties and reinforce India's layered maritime air defence architecture. So government signs key deal for ALH Mark III choppers and marine role ALH for Indian Coast Guard's 5,083 crore contract, which includes choppers and also missiles. Very big development. MOD signed 5,083 crore contracts on March 3rd, 2026 for 6 ALH Mark III maritime role helicopters for Indian Coast Guard and vertical launch missiles for Indian Navy.
We're also being joined by my colleague Ishan to get us more details. Ishan, this is a big breakthrough. This is a humongous deal and one of the firsts of its kind. It includes equipment, engineering support and also logistical training. Speak to us about the key aspects of this, Ishan.
Absolutely. The ALH deal first. The ALH deal is for the Indian Coast Guard. This will enable the Coast Guard to run not only surface-to-air missions, but this is a capability boost, increasing surveillance in the region. Now, this surveillance capability that the Indian Coast Guard currently uses, the Chetak and Cheetah helicopters. Now, These are old helicopters from the 80s and 90s that are still being used and now slowly being replaced by indigenously developed and built helicopters. Now, this helicopter, the ALH, has been designed, developed and built by HAL, and it is already being used by the Indian Army, Air Force and Navy in various capabilities. This will increase the surveillance capability of the Coast Guard. Along with that, it will also provide SAR capability, that is search and rescue capability, to the Indian Coast Guard. A lot of times, the first responder to the fishermen and boats at sea are these Coast Guard. Now, Coast Guard has been negotiating this deal for quite some time, and now finally this has come through the MOD. And apart from that, the vertical launch SHTIL missile is a new missile that is being integrated into the current ecosystem of naval ships. It has the capability of providing short-range air defense systems. Now, this is a primary unit that will be focused on UAV contacts. Now, UAV and low-flying contacts, this is a close-range weapon system and it is mostly against aerial targets, and it will be integrated into the vertical launch system that is already there on the ships, and this is a new missile. This has been developed by DRDO, and along with DRDO, it has capabilities of enhanced surveillance and destruction of low-flying, fast-moving targets. The VL-SHTIL missile is an indigenously developed missile, and both of these contracts together are over 5,000 crores and is a definite boost. Around 200 companies were involved in the manufacturing of components, parts, and other components, parts, and assembly of these systems, and it will provide around 10 lakh man-hours of employment to various sectors in the region. All of this is a definite boost to the Atmanirbhar Bharat mission of Prime Minister Modi. Back to you.
Right, Ishan. Thanks very much for joining us.